Good morning, children. Today I will tell you about alphabets. There are 26 letters in the alphabets. I will teach you the phonic sound of each letter. Let's look at the chart. Now, the first letter is A. A, and the sound of A is A. You have to open your mouth. A. A for ant. B says B. B for balloon. C says K. K for cat. D says D. D for dog. E says E. E for egg. F says F. F for fish. G says G. G for girl. H says H. H for hen. I says E. E for ink pot. J says J. J for jug. K says K. K for kite. L says L. L for lion. M says M. M for monkey. N says N. N for nest. O says O. Look at my mouth. O says O. O for owl. P says P. P for pen. Q says Qua. Qua for queen. R says R. R for rose. S says S. S for star. T says T. T for tap. U says A. A for umbrella. V says V. V for vegetables. W says W. W for watch. X says X. X for Christmas tree, or when we say a box, the sound at the back of box is X. Box. Y says Y. Y for yak. Z says Z. Z for zip. So these are the phonic sounds of all the letters. Okay? Now you revise them and learn them.